Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Andarki Shubhodaya. A very peculiar situation has come before the Punjab and Haryana High Court. The students who appeared for the entrance examination, of course it's law entrance examination, 5-year students who appeared for the law entrance examination, they filed a writ petition, civil writ petition 14104 by 2025 that the examination, law entrance examination, in the law entrance examination, tough questions were asked. The examination is very tough. Should not be like that. Can you challenge? Can you challenge that law entrance examination is tough? No. Honorable Chief Justice Sheel Nagu and another Justice Sumit Goyal, in the case of Shifali, Verma and others versus Punjab University, Chandigarh and another. They refused to grant any relief. By now you would have understood. They refused to grant any relief. And they have gone to the Shakespearean novel Hamlet. So, is a man ever satisfied? మనిషికి ఎక్కడైనా సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ ఉన్నదా? పెద్దవాళ్ళం కాబట్టి మేము చెప్పవచ్చు, నో బడీ సాటిస్ఫైడ్. సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ హట్, యూ వాంట్ ఏ పెంకుటిల్లు కావాలనుకుంటాం. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ దట్ టైల్డ్ హౌస్, యూ వాంట్ గో ఫర్ అ బిల్డింగ్. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ బిల్డింగ్, యూ వాంటెడ్ మల్టీ-స్టోర్ బిల్డింగ్. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ మల్టీ-స్టోర్ బిల్డింగ్, యూ వాంటెడ్ అ మ్యాన్షన్. సో దెర్ ఇస్ నో satisfaction for a person. So there is no clear research. The persons could not reach a clear resolution or a viable answer for this question. అలాగే టఫ్ ఏమిటాయా, టఫ్ అయిన దానికి ఇక్కడ అర్థం లేదు అని చెప్పి చెప్పడానికి షేక్స్పియర్ నావెల్లోకి వెళ్ళారు. రైట్. నో కమింగ్ టు ద ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద కేస్. షిఫాలి, వర్మ అండ్ అదర్స్, దే ఫైల్డ్ రిట్ పిటిషన్ representing 5 years LLB students. 5 years LLB students, of course, candidates and all, because they have written the examination conducted by Punjab University. What they allege is the questions given in the entrance examination, of course, although they are objective in nature, objective type, they were hard and tough ones. The standard of the candidates are 10+2, that is intermediate. But the standard of the questions is that of LLM or PG level. They should not have been included in the question paper. Right? But High Court said a competitive examination, by name itself, it indicates to test your skill, to test your knowledge, to test your preparedness and the general tendencies. But however, the institutions have to lay out a mechanism to assess the candidates. ఇది కూడా ఉండాలి, ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళ స్టాండర్డ్ ఎంత. కోర్స్ ఇక్కడ జరిగింది అదే, ఎవరో బయట ప్రొఫెసర్స్కి ఇస్తే ఆ ప్రొఫెసర్ స్టాండర్డ్స్లో చేశారు కానీ కింద స్టాండర్డ్స్ రాలేదని నా అభిప్రాయం. ఎందుకంటే when you formulate a question paper for a particular level, even, please see, if you are talking to a child of 8 years, you must talk in his level, go to his level. If you are speaking to an intermediate student, you must go to the level. PG level or వాళ్ళ లెవెల్లో మాట్లాడాలి, అంతేగాని if you start showing your intelligence on a 10th class student, the result will be like this only. Right. The competitive examination. Institutions have to lay out a mechanism to assess the candidates. Of course, it will have the same time limit and same number of questions to be attempted. ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే హైకోర్టు చెప్పింది, there is no foolproof blueprint or mechanism to test the capacities and skills of a boy who are large in number. Each candidate has got his own uniqueness. Thousands of students appeared, and of course, results are all declared, most of them passed. Then do we say that it is difficult examination? No. The entrance examination actually was held on 27/4/2025 by Punjab University. The test is on legal and general awareness. Legal and general awareness, 100 marks, 90 minutes, and they have cautioned that there will be negative marks also. 1/4 negative mark badudannaru. The defense by Punjab University is that the paper was set by legal experts and as per required norms. The results declare many people pass. So, here, Honorable High Court, basing on the very famous landmark judgment of Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Education, Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Education versus Paritosh Bhupesh Kumar Seth, 1994. Petition was dismissed. Here, legal and general awareness. So, Fawzan Mustafa sir, who worked as the principal of our Nalsar University, Hyderabad, is making videos on legal awareness camp. Right? So, legal awareness is an essential element even for ordinary people also. Of course, we will not be questioned because we don't bother about the legal awareness, but should be up to the level of a student. And that too, whenever there is a change, of course, these boys, since they are boys, intermediate means they are only boys, maybe 15 or 16 years boys. They are much worried because ఆ టైం వరకే మనకు తెలిసిందంతా రుబ్బు బ్యాచ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, ప్రాక్టికల్ ఉండదు. బట్ ఎనీవే స్టాండర్డ్ కూడా కొంచెం ఆలోచించాలి. వీళ్ళు అన్నారని కాదు కానీ దిస్ ఈజ్ ప్రాక్టికల్లీ there is some point in their urge, in their representation. The university has to consider it. More than that, I don't want to comment. Anyway, examination is not stopped. Examination already done, results declared. Now, these people have no other option except those people who pass, join the university. Otherwise, try their luck in the next term. Okay, with this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.